structure of India is started in my previous video, and we have discussed up to Vindhyan rock. And earlier of my previous video we have seen mapping of all continent, other things, and geological time scale. So from this video we will see further. So next rock system is Paleozoic group of rock. Paleozoic group of rock. See, when we talk about Paleozoic group of rock, it consists two categories. First category is from Cambrian to Devonian, and second category from Carboniferous to Silurian. So first is, that means Cambrian to Devonian. And in this period of time, majorly events are related with Himalayan region. And those events are absent in peninsular region except Rewa and Umaria, which are district of Madhya Pradesh. Those are witness for some events and activities absent in peninsular India, except Rewa and Umaria. So this is all about the Paleozoic group of rocks, and this was a time where life was begun, and life in form of invertebrate. Life was begun, and invertebrate biotic component. So in Paleozoic group of rock you can find some fossil, and this was first time when any type of fossil was found. Now next rock system is in Carboniferous, and which is Gondwana. See, Gondwana rock was formed basically in Carboniferous time period. And Gondwana basically floatile a lacustrine type rock, which is formed by deposition of sediment with biotic component, like it is floatile and lacustrine type rock. And if it is a part of land and it is a river basin or lake, because the Gondwana rock formed by river basin, lakes, and apart from river basin and lakes. So if it is a river basin or lake, here in respective of time deposition is happening, and deposition of sediment with biotic component. And when this part of land get excessive weight, it will subside into fault between rocks. It is rock. There also presence of extreme temperature and pressure. And due to extreme temperature and pressure, deposition metamorphized and metamorphized deposition called as Gondwana. So this is all phenomena of forming of Gondwana rock. And when we talk about apart from river basin and lake, if it is a part of land, and due to endogenic forces, if this part of land move in downward direction and subsided into a fault, there also presence of extreme temperature and pressure, that part of land will get metamorphized, and metamorphized rock become as an Gondwana rock. So this is all phenomena of forming of Gondwana rock in river basin and lakes and apart from river basin and lakes. Now we will see distribution of Gondwana land. Gondwana land distribution majorly in Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau. In when also apart from Chota Nagpur Plateau, it is stretched into Talcher. Talcher is a place of Odisha. There you can find the youngest Gondwana rock, Talcher. Talcher in Odisha. Now we will see minerals of Gondwana rock. You can find ferrous and non-ferrous mineral. Ferrous mineral. In non-ferrous mineral, coal is important mineral you can found in Gondwana rock. Coal. And you can find bituminous coal type. Bituminous is second highest quality of coal, and you should to know 98% Indian dependency of coal in bituminous coal. 98% of coal dependency of India on bituminous coal. And first, if it is the second highest quality of coal, bituminous, then what is first highest quality of coal, which is anthracite coal. And apart from coal, you can find mica, bauxite, fire clay, limestone in some places also, So these are other minerals except coal. So these are other mineral with coal. Now we will see ferrous. See, Raniganj iron ore is most important Gondwana rock place. There you can find iron ore. So Raniganj iron ore, Raniganj iron ore, and Raniganj iron ore situated in majorly West Bengal. Now we will see fossil of Gondwana rock. In Gondwana rock, you can find invertebrate fossil, and invertebrate fossil is dominating fossil in Gondwana rock. So invertebrate invertebrate, that means a biotic component without backbone. Invertebrate means biotic component without backbone. Now we will see next rock. Next rock is Deccan Trap. Deccan Trap. The Deccan Trap basically formed by outpouring of huge quantity lava, and lava is a basaltic lava. Outpouring of huge quantity of lava. Huge quantity of lava. And if you talk about distribution of Deccan Trap, Deccan Trap distributed in majorly this place, which includes Kathiawar, 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 this place in Malwa, Chhattisgarh, north of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. So these are places where basaltic rock distributed, and it is majorly found in Maharashtra, this place of Maharashtra. Now we will see thickness of Deccan Trap. You will found in Maharashtra coastal region, thickness of basaltic rock is highest, and it is about 3000 meter. And if you are going from this side to east or south, thickness will reduce. So that's why in coastal region of Maharashtra you can find natural harbor, natural seaport. So this is reason behind natural seaport. And next fact about the Deccan Trap, black soil is developed. Black soil Black soil developed in basaltic rock area, and it was developed due to physical and chemical changes of rock. And black soil is most important soil for cotton cultivation. Cotton cultivation. And black soil also known as Rangoor soil. Rangoor soil. Now next rock is tertiary rock system. Tertiary rock system. In tertiary rock system, majorly two events were happened. First is to breaking off of Gondwana land, and second is a northward movement of Tethys Sea plate and Indian plate, and those were collided with Eurasian plate, thereby Himalayan region was formed. So two important things. First is baking of first is baking of Gondwana land, and second is northward movement of northward movement of Tethys Sea plate, and Indian plate. And those were collided with Eurasian plate, thereby due to compression force young folded mountain which is known as Himalaya was formed. So third most important thing in tertiary period, varieties of fossil were developed, like plant mammals and also invertebrates. So those are fossils you can found in tertiary rock system. Now next rock system is quaternary period. Next period is quaternary period. See, quaternary means recent deposit, and if it is recent deposit, you can understand all type of plains were developed in this time period. Plains develop like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Krishna, Kaveri, and also in Himalayan region like Jhelum. And one most important thing about Jhelum river deposition, Jhelum river deposition called as Karevas. Karevas. Karevas one type of soil sediment, and it is most important soil for cultivation of almond, saffron and walnuts. Most important for cultivation of almonds, walnuts, saffron. So this is all about in my this video. We will see further in my next video.